Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best roof slope for solar panels that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Rehick 4-pack adjustable solar panel tilt mount bracket base. This product is designed to offer versatility with its adjustable tilt angle ranging from 10 degrees to 60 degrees, allowing you to optimize energy collection based on your roof's orientation and the sun's position. Made from aluminum alloy 6005 T5, it's lightweight yet durable, with excellent corrosion resistance, making it ideal for outdoor use. The design is simple and straightforward, making installation a breeze with the included screws and spacers. In terms of build quality, the Rehick mount feels sturdy, but its lightweight nature might not inspire as much confidence for extreme weather conditions compared to some of the heavier-duty options on this list. It's compact, with dimensions of just 7.87 by 7.87 by 2.36 inches, making it a great option for smaller setups like RVs, boats, and flat roofs. However, the lack of compatibility with larger solar panels could limit its use for users with high power demands. The biggest pros of the Rehick system are its affordability and ease of installation, while the cons include its limited capacity, supporting fewer panels, and its relatively low user rating of 4.4 stars. Overall, this is a solid option for someone looking for a lightweight and adjustable solution for smaller or portable solar projects. Coming in at number 4 is the Courage Adjustable RV Solar Panel Mount. This kit stands out for its adjustable tilt angle of 10 degrees to 60 degrees, allowing users to fine-tune their solar panel positioning for maximum efficiency. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, the Courage mount is durable, corrosion-resistant, and designed to handle various environmental conditions. It's also lightweight, making it an excellent choice for off-grid applications like RVs, boats, and garages. The design of the Courage mount is well thought out, with most components pre-assembled to simplify installation. However, it's worth noting that this product is best suited for smaller setups as it supports panels up to 500 watts. At just 4.49 pounds, it's easy to handle during installation, but this lightweight design may not inspire as much confidence in areas prone to high winds or heavy snowfall. The Courage Solar Mount is a great choice for users prioritizing adjustability and compact design. Its standout features include the ability to maximize solar efficiency with its tilt adjustment and its versatility for both commercial and private systems. However, its limitations include a small user base, just 19 reviews, and a slightly higher price point compared to competitors. Overall, it's a great mid-tier choice with a user rating of 4.6 stars. Taking the third spot is the 2K Solar Panel Mounting Brackets Kit. This product is a robust solution for mounting 1 to 4 solar panels, offering compatibility with most rigid panels up to 400 watts. Made from high-strength aluminum alloy, it's lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and built to withstand harsh weather conditions. The addition of waterproof sealant and water drain clips enhances its resilience, ensuring long-term durability. Performance-wise, this kit is designed to boost solar efficiency by 30 to 40% thanks to its optimized tilt angle. Installation is straightforward, with detailed instructions and all necessary tools included in the package. The 2K kit also comes with extras like a screwdriver bit and nut driver bit, which simplify the setup process further. Its compatibility with various roof types, including metal, wooden, tile, and cement, adds to its versatility. While the 2K kit excels in build quality and performance, it's slightly bulkier than some alternatives, which could make installation on smaller roofs more challenging. However, its combination of durability, efficiency, and user-friendly design makes it an excellent value for money. With a strong 4.5-star rating and glowing reviews, this is a reliable option for residential solar installations. In the runner-up position, we have the CMYNG Elingen Solar Panel Roof Mounts Bracket Kit. This product is specifically designed for sloped tin roofs, making it ideal for barns, sheds, and cabins. It supports up to 2 solar panels and includes adjustable mid and end clamps for panels between 30 to 45 millimeters thick. The rails and brackets are made from high-quality aluminum, ensuring a lightweight yet durable construction. One of the standout features of the CMYNGL engine kit is its ease of assembly. It comes with all the necessary accessories, including a handy L-spanner for tightening clamps. The inclusion of both self-tapping screws and wood screws means it's adaptable to different roof materials. The rail splice feature also allows for extended rail length, accommodating larger setups if needed. While the CMYNGL engine kit is excellent for smaller installations, its capacity to support only 1 or 2 panels may limit its appeal for larger projects. That said, its thoughtful design, ease of use, and weather-resistant materials make it a strong choice for off-grid applications. With a 4.4-star rating and a reasonable price point, it's a great option for those with specific tin roof needs. Finally, claiming the top spot is the eco-worthy roof solar panel mounting bracket system kit. This all-in-one solution is highly versatile, compatible with a wide range of roof types, including metal, wooden, tile, and cement. Its robust aluminum alloy construction ensures both strength and corrosion resistance, making it perfect for long-term outdoor use. The kit supports 1 to 4 solar panels, making it suitable for residential and light commercial installations. What sets the eco-worthy kit apart is its user-friendly design. The compact mounting system is easy to install, with detailed instructions included. The package comes fully equipped with 10 rails, L brackets, pressure blocks, and waterproof gaskets, ensuring a complete setup experience. Its ability to handle most rigid panels up to 400 watts further adds to its versatility. The eco-worthy kit shines in terms of durability and compatibility, but its standout feature is its value proposition. It's a reliable, well-built system that caters to a wide range of applications, from flat to pitched roofs. With a strong 4.4-star rating and over 200 customer reviews, it's no surprise that eco-worthy takes the crown as the best roof slope solar panel mounting kit on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.